Goldie's are blue and gold off. Now guys, do you think that Goldie has the ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes, then you really cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find the hidden object for us, please. Use your psychic power. Where could it be? Goldie searching. And she found it! How about a round of applause for a psychic bird, Goldie? Now, our next featured bird just like Eddie, Mary, Goggles, monogamous, meaning will be partners for a long time. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples with a sense in a relationship, there always be balance. So let's meet Blue and once again, Goldie, our equal pair of blue and gold macaw, handled by June and 8. And today they'll battle out who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Well, all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on, boys, say, go Blue, go Blue. Okay, and all the girls will cheer for Goldie as well. Come on, girls, say, Goldie, Goldie. Okay, so, are you guys ready? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Okay, so, trainers ready, birds ready, set, go! Now here comes Blue picking first ball, followed by Goldie for first ball as well. Second ball for Blue, second ball for Goldie, and the last ball is gonna win! Blue wins this game, 1+5. You see that? Trainer Adrian, you guys lose this game, what can you say?
We won another race.
Ooh, we want another race too?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again?
Well, this time we guarantee that Goldie will win.
Ooh, fun, fun.
Alright, so what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race, by the way?
Thinking of a ring race.
What is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole the fastest is the winner. That's the ring race.
So, the ring race it shall be. Now, girls, remember that boys got already 1 point. So, let's cheer louder for Goldie to win this time. And we will be doing this again with our ring race. So, are you guys ready for the second round? Okay, birds ready, set, go! Now, here comes Blue for first ring. Blue leading the way, second ring for Blue. Hey, what is this? Goldie pick up 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Goldie. Oh boy, what a clever thing. 3 rings at the same time. Trainer June, what can you say?
What was that, Goldie and Adrian? You guys clearly cheated.
Ooh, did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Goldie used her brain.
So, is it true that the girls are more intelligent than the boys? How about a round of applause for Blue and Goldie? Now, the next part of the show, I need another volunteer this time with a 20 peso bill. Anyone who wants to volunteer? Another volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Okay, sir? Can you? This way. Hi. Sir. Okay. May I have your name first, please?
Wait.
A round of applause for volunteer Miss Wayne. Okay. So can you stand right here and face towards the table? And extend your left arm sideways like this, okay? As I put your money between your fingers. Okay? Do you have any idea what will happen next? How about kung simbuhayan ko sila sa pool mo? Okay, namin mo. Okay, no matter what happened, man, don't move your arms, okay? Just steady. Now, here money bird, blue. Our money bird blue can take out the money finger, not so blue, shall we? Blue flies over. Big strong money. What's next, blue? Is it big blue? Blue flies back, and I guess we'll see. And blue will donate your money. How about a round of applause for a donor? Taxi Mami. Now, before going back to your seat, may I ask you something? Did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is also a wildlife rescue center for the animals? Well, now you know, and your money will go a long, long way. And we're very grateful for that. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can go back to your seat. Enjoy the rest of the show. Excuse me, one way. Okay, are you okay? Are you sure? But I can feel that you're quite sad about that. You know, we're actually just getting this part of the show. Please come join in front and we will return your money. But before that, we want to have a photo with you for souvenir. So just bring your phone, man. Just bring your phone. And we're gonna have a photo session with Blue.